Wow, ang daming mga maliliit na pots.
Nire-ready ko lang.
For?
Kasi para po nagka-cuttings ako, susok-sok ko na lang siya dyan.
So these little pots with soil and manure are for cuttings. Mayana cuttings. Like this plant.
Ayun, ayun.
See, this is a very nice Mayana plant. Look at the leaves. See, it's like an abstract painting. It reminds me of an artist.
Nag-iisipan ko kung magka-cut na ako sa kanya.
Very nice.
Maliit pa siya. Ayun.
So this is a mix. What kind of soil mix is this?
Garden soil.
Garden soil.
Ewan ko, nabili ko ito sa sabi mix na daw to pero mas ang dami niyang ipa.
Oh, lots of rice.
So parang wala siyang soil eh. So kaya mix
No soil?
Sa
Maybe
tingin
it's
mo?
compost. It's compost.
Sabi kasi mix daw to ng garden soil at saka
Garden soil and
ipa.
ipa. Okay.
Rice soil.
Oh, that's nice to know.
Pero
But
hindi
it
wala.
doesn't have much soil. Okay.
Sabi na ito.
Oh, cow manure.
Kasi nga, ganyan ako natin sa ano.
Yes, I can smell the cow manure.
Lolo.
Smells like dairy. Dairy cream. Where did you buy this soil mix?
Garden soil.
Yeah, where did you get this?
Meron ako yung na-orderan dito, taga Brookside. Ng garden soil. Pero mas bumibili nga ako ng soil mixed soil na kay Botanical. Kaso wala siyang mixed soil. So ang ginawa ko na lang, garden soil na lang.
And you
Na
mix it
pure
with
na lupa
ipa.
siya eh. Ito yung garden soil niya.
Yeah, okay. This is the garden soil from Botanical.
Hindi. Generic P? Parang gano'n?
Generic
P. Oo.
That's the one from Brookside. Okay, so that's a local product here in our subdivision.
Oo. Mas mahal nga lang siya kasi
Genrix?
Generic P.
How do you spell that?
Ano nga ba? G-E-N-R tapos P-E-E.
P-E-E. Klaseng P. Okay.
P-E.
Interesting.
Mix ko na lang kasi ayun.
I see those little pots have the bottom is full of holes. See?
Pero itong isang nabili ko pangit. Walang ano.
Oh, this one.
Kailangan ko pa itong butasan.
Oh yeah, you get those. So I suppose this is cheaper.
Same price.
Same price, but no drainage holes.
Okay, wala nang style.
But where did you get these pots?
Shopee.
Shopee. Okay, this came from Shopee. And this also from Shopee? Also
Same
from Shopee.
color lang. Iba lang ng design.
But same price.
Oo, same price.
How much for one set?
Parang nga ba? Parang nasa 4 something o 5 pesos each.
Oh, it amounts to 5 pesos per pot. Okay.
So yung nakita kong pinakamura. Pero mas may nabilan ako sa Batangas na mas mura at mas malaki. Kaso kailan pa ako babalik ng Batangas?
Oo nga, no? Tsaka magagastos ka pa. You have to
Kailan pa ako babalik?
add the cost of the gasoline.
Kaya, ayan. Okay na. 2, 4, 6, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 14. Pwede na.
14 pots for 14 cuttings.
Ayan yun.
Also, these are new cuttings. Yes. And
This one.
and that one. So this is what it looks like inside that little pot. So when you cut these, you put this in a shaded area. Do you add water?
Didiligan mo siya na ano.
Just a few drops.
Hindi, kailangan lumabas.
Oh, it has to go through the bottom.
Siguro mga 2 days ko siyang hindi didiligan.
And then don't water for 2 days.
3 days din siyang nasa shaded area.
Okay, 3 days in the shaded area. So once you put the cuttings in the soil, you water this until the soil is drenched, but drains, and then you leave it in a shaded area for 2 days. 3 days, yes. After 3 days,
Ano na siya?
you can put it under the sun. Direct sun.
Hindi naman. Ano muna, paunti-unti. Morning sun muna. Makikita mo naman siya kung established na siya. Talagang tayong-tayo siya.
Yeah, so yeah, you'll know if they won't die if the leaves aren't withered anymore. They are not drooping. So by that time, they would have already grown roots.
Kasi pag diniligan mo to bababa pa yung lupa niya.
So it takes about 3 days for the roots to grow.
Hindi naman yung siguro. 5 days.
5 days for the roots to grow. You have to take good care of Mayana, of your Mayana
5
plants.
to 7 days. 1 week, bigyan mo sila ng 1 week talagang stable na sila.
I see. But they're so easy to grow and maintain, right? Just water them. Don't put them in a shaded area.
Gusto nila ng sun.
They like the sun. They are sun worshippers.
Yung mulaklak tadi, look.
Ano yan?
Cadena de amor.
Oo nga, no?
Ang tagal niyang,
Yeah, I don't know if you can see that. Let me zoom in. There you go. The cadena de amor.
kala ko mamamatay na siya. Ayun pa, may
So the flowers aren't fully bloomed yet.
Gusto niya yung area na yan.
Okay. Nice.
Doon siya galing sa kabila. Halos mamatay siya. Ayaw niya doon.
At least you found a good spot for it.
Oo.
Cadena de amor likes to be under the sun.
Yeah. Wala ka ng pot dito.
Where did you buy these?
Sa Batangas.
What are these called? Rubber pots?
Hindi. Seedling
Potting
bag.
Yeah,
Seedling, oo.
pot.
Hindi pot eh. Bag and bag.
Of course, it's like a bag but shaped like a pot. Yeah, it's like a plastic bag. See? It's like a pot-shaped plastic bag. And you have some twine inside. What do you use the twine for?
Sa mga mga plants kong inilalagay ko yung stick.
You like the climbing pole? Oh, so you make your own climbing pole? You make your own pole?
Hindi. Ito, nabili ko to sa Taytay Halamanan. Ay, sorry. Taytay Halamanan. For 40 pesos.
What kind of pole is that? It's like it's made of roots.
May tawag sila dyan eh.
40 pesos. From what Halamanan?
Taytay Halamanan.
Halamanan sa Taytay. Yeah, do you see that?
Ba yun?
The planting pole. It stretches all the way up here. So if you can see the material, it's like I don't know what to call it. Come to think of it, I don't know what this is. What this is made of. You guys know what this is made of? Let me know. So this costs 40 pesos, about 3 feet. 3 feet.
Pero mahirap laging out of stock eh. Meron siyang out of stock.
We have to ask how they made those poles.
Yan. Naging mo na lahat. Ilalagay ko na sila sa isang area. Dahil naman nabuhay na yung Adansoni ay kung ingat-ingat ni Didi.
Oh yeah, so guys, I don't know if we mentioned it before, but one of our plants, the Monstera Adansonii, got chewed up by our poodle, Didi. For some reason, she likes the Swiss cheese plant.
Kala niya siguro cheese.
She likes cheese.
Kala niya cheese. Kala niya kinain niya
she thought it was cheese. Yeah, for some reason, she likes to chew on that.
Hindi niya alam mahal yun.
And she actually eats it.
Mahal yun.
So if you happen to buy a Monstera Deliciosa, don't show it to Didi. Because that would definitely be delicious.
Lagot siya kay Didi. Baka makati
Lagot,
na.
lagot tayo kay, ay, lagot si Didi sa atin.
Oo,
Sa'yo.
sa akin.
Poor Didi.
Okay na si Adonson hindi. Ayan.
It's either the plants go or the dog goes. Just joking. We will keep both. They're all our pets.
Pero parang gusto ko siyang ikat kasi natutumba siya.
Sino? Si Didi?
This one. Pero nag-iisa lang to eh. Wala pa. Hindi ko pa napapalaki to. Ang tagal niya lumaki. Don't know why. Pero tagal niya lumaki.
Baka kailangan niya ng sunshine. Maybe it just needs sunshine.
Baka ilipat ko siya ng pwesto or hindi ko alam. Ganda naman yung soil niya.
Yes. Yeah, the leaves aren't limp anymore. So this is what it looks like if the leaves are limp. See? It's a very limp leaf. See? Just no turgor pressure. But once they get water from the soil, so some of the cells will develop into roots from the cut portion, and those cells will start to extract water, sending the water to the leaves. So there will be turgor pressure. So turgor pressure is what makes a plant rigid, like this. See, this is good turgor pressure.
Okay. Stop muna ngayon.
Okay, so I guess that's it for another episode.
Another episode. 8.
Huh?
Natatawa ako, Dad. Focus talaga.
Another episode eh. It's the ending of another episode.
Oo. Yun yung hirap na hirap akong gawin. Pero... Ano sasabihin ka?
Oh, you know what? You know. Sabi nga ni Manny Pacquiao, you know.
Sana po may natutunan kayo sa video namin. Tapos, update na lang ulit. At please like and subscribe. Para ano.
And share on Facebook.
Ano?
Tell your friends.
Share. Ay, Daddy, mayroong milipid yung aking nakakaya siya nasisira.
Saan yung milipid na yun?
Yun, pag-ikwato, kaso na yun. Ayun.
Ha? Hindi ko makita eh.
Ayan.
Asan yung milipid? Oh, yun. Kita ko na ha. Ayun ha.
Nagbutas yung dahon.
Kita nyo milipid? Sige, tatanggalin natin yan. I won't show it on video because it's yucky.